Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial on how to use steam. I'm Alex from Mobile Steam Services, and in this one I'm going to show you how to clean upholstery. As usual, we use the Optima XD for steam. This is really powerful, really strong, and if you can take a close-up, this seat is really battered. It's in really bad shape. I don't know what this is. It feels oily. It's probably those hand sanitizer that people bought when they panicked. So this is really bad. The rest of the seat, as you can see, is again really battered. You've got a lot of stains here. This is where we keep our daughter's stuff, and a lot of water, coffee, and all sorts of substances spill onto this poor seat that hasn't been cleaned in a while, but I left it like that just to demonstrate how clean that can get. So I'm gonna try to remove this stain, which I'm gonna give myself a challenge. First of all, for demonstration, I don't wanna damage the rest of the seat. I'm only gonna clean this panel here. So I'm gonna protect the other ones, and the process is quite simple. This kind of seats and this kind of job usually uses an extractor. What that does, it pushes hot water inside and shampoo, and then the hoover attachment just pulls everything out of the surface. That is gonna leave a really wet seat. The car cannot be driven for a while, and we don't need that. So steam is gonna leave it dry, and is gonna dislodge every single contaminant here, and is gonna pull it off of the surface. And rather than using an extractor, I'm just gonna blot it dry using a microfiber towel, and that will do the job just as well as an extractor. But you don't need the extractor, the shampoo, and all that resources to do a seat like that. Without further ado, I'm gonna get cracking. I'm gonna push steam into it first. As you can see, when all the steam goes, is quite powerful. This surface is wet, and I only did this part here for a little bit, but already I can feel the stain being dislodged. So I'm gonna keep going. Excuse the steam, please. It's powerful. That's what it does. Okay, sorry guys. Let me get that out of the way. I know that all you saw now was steam, right? I didn't need this, to be honest with you, because the jet can be directed exactly where the stain is. Let's see what we've got so far. I'm not gonna use my APC even if I've got my butter here. I'm just gonna blot it dry to see the result. Not a lot of water has been used, which means the surface is quite dry. And this microfiber towel, which I think I got from Screwfix or something, is just like 50 pieces for 40 quid. They are really good, and they do the job. Without any other chemical substances, without APC, without an extractor, without carpet shampoo, we've achieved this. The stain is gone. It's a little bit wet now, not too much. I mean, I'm gonna try to dry it even further. Yeah, much better. So, using only steam, that big stain, which I assume his hand sanitizer is gone. Look at the difference. You can still see the stains here, maybe even here, but that one, which was our biggest issue, is gone. And I'm gonna blow it dry as much as I can to show you how easy it is to remove stains, because it only uses so much water. So all that dirt, all of that was just dissolved, and then using a towel was wet clean. The towel, I don't know if you can tell, is quite damp, but I wouldn't call it wet. Maybe you can see if we do, yeah, look, this is the dry side, and this is the first side I used. I'm gonna use the dry side once again because I want to make sure that a lot of grease elbow, but still it's wet. Sorry, it's dry. You can definitely sit on it. And to prove that, this is a dry microfiber towel. I'm putting all my weight on it, which is 20 stone. Dry. See? You can move the fibers, which means the towel is dry. And most importantly, the stain is gone. And this is what we do for our customers. We clean, deep clean the seats. This area has been sanitized because 100 degrees kills basically all bacteria and viruses known to man, and the quality is impeccable without damaging the seat. I didn't have to use my drill brush to put pressure on the fabric and damage it. It was only steam and the microfiber towel. This is how easy it was to clean that big stain. As please, once again, look at the difference between here and here, and you can tell this is dry because the color is the same. Thank you very much for watching.